All right guys, what's up? It's Roy here, and with this video I'm going to be installing the screen protector that was sent to me from the company TAC. Now if you want to buy this for your iPhone 13 mini, 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max, whatever, do follow my link down in the description to their website. It's buyatac.com. They make some really awesome, super thin, super nice translucent cases for the 13 Pro as well, which I have right here. I actually did some videos on those. You can follow the card up above. But let's go ahead and just take a real quick peek at this tempered glass. So as far as the packaging goes, as you can see here, it says tempered glass, strong absorption, protect eye, screen, blah, 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 blah. It is a 9H super hardness, so it's a premium tempered glass screen protector. And then here on the back, it just kind of has a little bit of the information about the install and everything like that. But pretty simple processes, guys. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy out. Now with the packaging and everything, you are actually getting 2 tempered glass. So I do love that. So if you ever mess up by accident, then you are able to, put another one on. One thing I do like about this as well, it is a complete coverage of the actual screen. Oh, and you do get some stickers and stuff like that in there as well for the dust absorbers and stuff. But as you can see here against my hand, it is a complete screen protector, guys. So you only are just gonna have that little baby cutout there for the speakers up top, but everything else is completely covered, which I've always been a big fan of tempered glasses like that are covering the whole screen and not cutting out for the notch. And in my past, I've never had any issues with like my Face ID or anything like that with tempered glasses like this. So as far as the install goes, what I'm gonna do real quick, guys, is I've already kind of wiped the phone down. Sorry, just got bombarded. But I'm gonna use kind of my microfiber cloth here and just kind of clean the phone screen off just a little bit here. I've already kind of wiped it off and used some different kind of like spray on here already, but I'm just gonna try to do that. Okay, and without touching the screen, I'm gonna use the little dust absorber stickers that came with it and just kind of make sure I get all the little dust off that I see, a little lint and stuff like that. So it just makes it very simple. But at the end of the day too, guys, it's always easier to do it when the screen's not on. So that way you can kind of angle it in the lights and see what's on there, what's not on there. But that looks pretty good. So next I'm gonna go ahead and put the phone down. Now, unfortunately, they don't give you any kind of like, what's the word I'm looking for? Just the little border thing where you can just kind of set the screen protector in and then just let it do its job. But as you can see here, it says this is the back. So we're gonna peel this off. This is gonna be the sticky part. And then all I'm gonna do is try to just match it up very nicely to the actual phone. And since it is just going to be the full screen, this should make it pretty easy here. Don't wanna cover up the speaker there. So got it there. And then I'm just gonna drop it down, push in the middle, and let it do its thing. Kind of working its way down. Once it goes all the way through, then I'll use my microfiber towel and push any air bubbles that are left. So it's still kind of working its way there at the corner. So let me go ahead and let it finish there. But then what I'm gonna do is, like I said, I always use a microfiber cloth, and I'm just gonna try to just push those air bubbles out. And then you just kind of wipe it all down. And there it is. So as you can see here, now it has a full tempered glass screen on the actual phone here, and the only part that's cut out is right around the speaker grill there. So it's a pretty easy install, as you can tell there. I didn't really speed up the video much or anything like that. Looks pretty decent on the sides here as well. So there's no really big issues at all with this. So feels good, looks good. Doesn't feel very weird or anything like that. It does feel very nice whenever I'm swiping my finger on here. Let's go ahead and open the phone. and let's kind of just test the responsiveness of it. Feels pretty dang good. I don't think there's any issues at all here. So yeah, I mean, I think it does perform pretty nicely. So like I said, it does definitely feel good. But like I said, I just like the look of it too, because like I said, it does not look like I have an actual tempered glass on here. So I really like that. So for 25 bucks, guys, not a bad investment at all. So a nice thing too is if you want to match it up with one of their cases and slap that on, so just put that on real quick. It is tempered glass friendly as well. So as you can see here, no interference at all with the screen protector. You do have just this very slight edge right here that isn't just going all the way to the edge. So it's gonna make it case friendly for most cases. But as you can see here, it looks and performs just fine. So yeah, so there's the way that case looks. Just love these cases. But yeah, there you have it, guys. There is the tempered glass from TAC. If you want to buy it, like I said, go to buyattack.com and scoop it up for your iPhone. So hit that like button, guys, if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe and ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.